Welcome to the Fortune Teller Art Critique Instructions. To get started, you will need to print out your fortune teller and grab a pair of scissors. Begin by following the dotted line and cutting out the box. You can also follow along with these instructions right here. Once your square is cut out, we are ready to start folding. We are now on step 2. Fold the square in half diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner, following the dotted line. Step number 3, unfold and repeat the other two corners. Our next step is step number 4. Unfold to reveal an X crease pattern. Next is step number 5. We are going to take each corner of the square and fold it towards the center. This is where the diagonal crease intersects. As you are doing this, you will start to see only numbers and colors. And once you're done with step number 5, you should have a square, which is step number 6. Moving right along to step number 7, we are going to go ahead and turn our paper over. And step number 8, we are again going to fold each corner into the center, just like we did before. And once again, you should have a small square. Step number 9 is to fold the paper in half from top to bottom, then unfold. And repeat those steps again in step number 10 by folding it in half from left to right, then unfold. Okay, now our folding is done. Our last step is step 11, is to slide our fingers under the 4 flaps and push them towards the center to create the fortune teller shape. Now we are ready to start our fortune teller art critique. For this activity, you will pair up with a new partner for each question. Each person takes a turn playing the challenge and filling out their partner's critique. Once the first box is answered, switch partners and repeat until all 4 questions are completed. Let's go ahead and try a practice round. Have your partner choose a color. My partner chose red. Now I spell out the color red. R-E-D. Now choose a number. My partner chose 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose another number. My partner chose 4. Reveal your fortune underneath number 4 and respond to it on the worksheet provided. Now it's time to switch partners and repeat those steps to get fortune response number 2. Start by choosing a color and spelling it out. Then choose a number and count it out. Then choose a number once more and reveal the fortune. Respond to the fortune in fortune response box number 2. Once you are done, go ahead and switch partners 2 more times and fill out response number 3 and response number 4. Congratulations for creating some amazing art and for providing valuable feedback to your peers. Thank you for watching.